Welcome to another video. I'm Elisa and I'm in the process of converting this 2021 Ram ProMaster into a tiny house on wheels. I've been working on this van for about 4 months and I'm finally at a stage where I can start working on the electrical system. I decided to go with a 5 kilowatt EcoFlow Power Kit. This video is not sponsored by EcoFlow. I bought this myself. But if you're interested, I'm leaving an affiliate link in the description below. This is a 48-volt battery system. 5 kilowatts is equivalent to about 400 amp hours, enough to power my fridge, lights, water heater, water pump, fans, and keep my electronic devices charged. I got the EcoFlow Power Kit because it's a system that has all the components already wired and programmed. Because I'm gonna have a fixed bed in this van, I decided to have the electrical system on the driver's side, and the water system, which hasn't been done yet, but I have the tank here, will be on the passenger side. The width of the van is 6 feet, so I'm dividing it into 3. 2 feet for the electrical system, 2 feet for the storage area, and then 2 feet for the water system. Trying to keep everything nice and even so that it looks good. I'm planning what the box for the electrical system needs to look like, the measurements. So before building the box, I want to make sure that I know where everything goes. Here are the pieces. So I was trying to organize things so that I know what I have here, but I have the power hub. This is essentially the brain of the system, integrating multiple inputs and outputs. It manages energy from solar panels, shore power, and the van's alternator while you're driving, and controls how it's distributed to your appliances. Those are just different wires that will connect these things together. This is a 5 kilowatt battery, 400 amp hours of battery, and then I have instructions and templates, mounting brackets, and this here is the distribution panel. So I was reading the instructions. This is the control panel. Trying to keep everything in one place. Here, my son and I are using 3/4 inch birch plywood to make a box for all of the electrical components. I'm sure there are many different ways to do this, but this seemed like a good idea. This is going to go around the wheel well, and we're putting some holes in the back piece so that we can run some wires through. Each component comes with a user manual. It makes it easy to set up and install. Not only that, but they also give you this sheet here. This gives you a good overview of the entire system. The batteries, everything you get with the system. The distribution panel, you can install it the way I did into a recess, or you can mount it on the wall as well. I'm gonna use these little connectors Positive is usually red, so we're gonna connect positive. In this case, this fan has a black positive wire. I hope this works. Okay. Positive, negative. Okay, nothing's coming in, nothing's coming out right now. So I'm gonna plug in the solar. You can see input on. You can see. So right now I have the 2 fans wired and ready to use. We're gonna look at this control panel. I don't know if you can see very well, but today it's a cloudy day. There's not a lot of sun. I have 400 watts of solar on the roof, and right now I'm only getting 91 watts. If you click here, you can see all of your different input sources. Right now I only have the solar panels on. My battery will be charged by solar panels, by shore power, which I'm still waiting for the adapter so that I can test and see if that works. And then the third one is going to be power from the alternator, meaning that when I'm driving the van, the battery is charging. This is the wire that came with the EcoFlow Power Kit to attach to the battery in the van, and then plug into the what are these things called? Power hub. So it's really should be pretty simple to do. So I will do this when I get the swivel seats, because I would like to remove the seat so that I can run these wires underneath the seat. The nice thing about this system is that it comes with all of the wires that you need. The sun just came out and now I'm getting more power from my solar panels. So now I'm gonna turn the fans on. That's my DC power, so turn it on. And now, another thing I just discovered is that you can use the same remote control for both fans. You don't have to have 2 remote controls. So we're gonna turn on the fan. There you go. It works. And then we can do the same over here. Now you can see that I'm getting 200 watts in and 39 watts out. And this is just using the 2 fans that I have on right now. I never thought I would be here learning about electricity and wires, but here I am. It's working. I still need to work on attaching these to the ceiling and to the wall, but I basically ran the 2 wires from the fan down and then this way all the way to the control panel back here. It's important to have this open because, as you can see, there are fans here and you want to allow these fans to run and have enough space for airflow. And then there are also fans underneath. If I ever decide that I need more power, I can always buy another one of these batteries and just stack them together right here. So I can have 10 kilowatts of power if needed. This here is going to go on the wall somewhere when I decide where. Yes, we can test the shore power. It's the adapter. We're gonna plug this to the power hub first. I don't know why this makes me nervous. All right, no explosions. That's a good sign. So now let's see if it works. So exciting. Oh, wow. Oh, whoa. No, that's a lot. Everything has worked so far. I just cannot believe it. I don't know what I was expecting, but you can see here, I'm getting 267 watts of solar and 1.5245 kilowatts of power from the shore power. So this is gonna charge very, very fast now. Nothing feels hot right now, but these fans are definitely going full speed right now. Right now I'm making a door and a top for this electrical system. I will put vents on the door so that we still have airflow in here. So we're gonna have one vent here and another one here. I think I have PTSD from cutting the windows. It's a hole. Yeah, that works. That's really nice. Yeah, that's an easy solution. I was a little nervous about installing this system because I didn't know if it would be as easy as they say it is, but it was. If I can do it, I know you can do it. I wanted to be able to remove the door when needed so that I could get in here if necessary, and my stepdad suggested that we do this, which I think is a great idea. I don't know if I'm gonna have to get in here very often, but I want to make sure that if I do, it's somewhat of an easy task. So I just unscrew these 4 little butterfly screw nuts. I don't know what these are. I still don't know the names of things. And then pull it open. I don't know if it's me. It's not that bad. All right, it's actually not that hard. I was thinking that if I didn't do this here, if I didn't use these bolts, I don't know if maybe heavy duty Velcro on the box itself and then all around the door, if that would hold, because that would be really easy. Just stick it to each other. I don't know if I don't know, what do you think? I'm just afraid that if I used Velcro with the vibrations when I'm driving, the door would fall off, and we can't have that, especially if I have my little bunny in here. She probably will hang out in this area. I don't know if she's gonna even want to come with me, but we'll try. We'll try, and then we'll see if she likes it or not. She will definitely let me know. She gets what she wants. I'm probably going to make another video talking about the electrical system once the van is built and once I'm out traveling, just to give you an update on whether I still love it or not, if it works, if it gives me any problems or not. We'll find out. Time will tell, right? Time will tell.